Nah, I'm just playing. I went ahead with the GoPro because I figured I'd get better audio. But basically, the car, when you go from 4th to 5th or 6th to 5th, and there's any load on the car, if you do any type of quick shifting, like if you do it normal, look, goes in normal like it was nothing. But say you're going 4th, right? Give it a little bit of power trying to go into 5th, and we get that grind there. Foot's the clutch is all the way down, and it still seems to do it. So show y'all again. I don't know. And then we'll even downshift. Now it went into gear, as you can see, but it keeps making that sound. I don't know what it is. I'm thinking it's a synchro, like I said, but I don't really know. Fifth gear about to fuck up. I mean, it's weird because it'll actually go in, and even when I'm driving normal, it feels like it's an extra like gate to get past before it goes in. So I don't know. Can't never go to 5th gear doing anything really. I mean, driving maybe under 30, 40, it's fine, but anything above is gonna be too fast for it. I don't know. I didn't want to go to 5th there because it's like, I don't know. Definitely don't want to break the trans, but I did want to show everyone watching what's been going on. So this will be somewhat of a roadblock. Gotta get it checked out by, I guess, a transmission shop. Hopefully it's something minor that's not going to cost me nothing too crazy, but you never know. So I know this was a short video, but you know, I had to get out that update and let y'all know what's going on with everything with the car, because you know I got some things planned, and this is gonna be a little roadblock, but it's alright because we gonna handle that. But if you enjoyed this video or any others, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the channel for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.